Hi, this video will support you on questions, I believe it's questions 4 and 5, where you're doing unit rates using decimals. So let me go ahead and go back to this. So essentially the main skill you need to know is you need to know how to convert a fraction to a decimal using a calculator. And you have to remember that that decimal can be written as a fraction if you put a 1 under it. So let me go ahead and go down to an example problem that is very similar to the problems you got in your homework assignment. And it's actually this one. Okay, so a hospital received a batch of radioactive carbon 475 that decays at a rate of 3.99 flow ounces every 25 seconds. What is the unit rate of the pump? Okay, go ahead and read that again. And I want to ask you, what is the question asking you to find essentially? Okay, I hope you were able to identify that they're asking you to find the unit rate. So what you're really trying to find out, you're trying to find out, I guess the flow rate, flow ounces for 1 second. We don't know what that number on top is, but we do have some other information. And I want to ask you, what information have they provided you? And I hope you're able to identify that they provided you a rate of decay. Now, the first number we see is 3.99, and that's flow ounces, FLZ, OZ for flow ounces, over 25 seconds. Okay, this is very easy. Go ahead and convert this fraction to a decimal using your calculator. Okay, I hope you were able to get it, and it's actually very straightforward. 0.1596. That's a 9. Now, you cannot forget about the units. It's FLOZ over seconds. We're not quite done yet because we're finding the unit rate. Now remember, we can convert anything to a fraction by just putting a 1 under the value. So we're going to convert this decimal to a fraction by writing it again. 0.1596 FLOZ over seconds, and a 1 in the bottom. So for 1 second, this decays 0.1596 ounces. So in 1 second, it's decreasing or decaying that much, which is 0.1596. I'll do one more example just to give you a support, because I know that sometimes it might get a little bit tricky. And actually, let me see if I can find another problem. If I can't, then I'll perhaps end it there. And it seems like I don't have another example for you.